Okay, today let us start one more topic, that is regular falsi method. This is, we can also call it as false position method or method of false position. Okay, it has got several names. So how will you find out x1? Here is a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b into f of a. Only difference in between Newton bisection and regular falsi is here while finding root we will use f of b and f of a also. Again same condition valid, f of a and f of b should be always less than 0. How it is less than 0 we have seen in our previous lectures. So let us solve problem number 39. Okay, so problem number 13, the first approximation to the real roots of equation. They are asking the first approximation to the real root of equation, that is f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. That is what they are saying. So the first approximation they are asking. So what will be the first approximation, my dears? So the first approximation will be, like, first find out f of a and f of b. F of a is, what is the interval between 2 and 3? So interval is 2 and 3. 2 cube 8 minus 4 minus 5. How much? It's like minus 1. Then f of 2 we have got f of 3. Substitute here 3 cube minus 2 into 3 minus 5. How much? I am getting it as 16. If I multiply these two less than 0, condition satisfied, then x1 is equal to a into f of b. This is a, this is b. A into f of b, a into f of b is 2 into 16. This multiplication 2 into 16 minus this multiplication 3 into minus 1 divided by 16 minus of minus 1. Okay, you can also write like that. So I am getting x1 as 2.0588. Okay, in the blank you have to substitute 2.0588. Okay, let us solve one more problem, that is last problem of regular falsi. I am solving less problems in these areas because only few questions have been asked in these areas. Mainly you have to focus on Newton-Raphson method and numerical integration. Okay, if you complete those two things, then you can come to these topics. Okay, so problem number 40, what they are saying, f of x, second approximation we have to find out. F of x is 2x minus log base 10 x minus 7 equal to 0, and they have given a and b values as a equal to 3, b equal to 4. By regular falsi method is second approximation you have to find out. My dears, remember, whenever they have given log base 10, that means you have to apply log in the calculator. If they have given only log, then you have to apply natural log. Do remember this thing always. Okay, then come on, find out f of a now. F of a is equal to f of 3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus log base 10, 3 minus 7. How much value you are getting? Tell me fast, how much value you are getting? It's like you might be getting it as minus 1.477. Is it? Yes, minus 1.477. Then f of b is equal to f of 4. F of 4 is equal to how much? F of 4, substitute 2 into 4 minus log base 10, 4 minus 7. So I am getting it as 0.39794. Okay, if I multiply these two less than 0, that's fine. So first find first approximation. 3 into 0.39794 minus 4 into minus 1.477 divided by 0.39794 minus of minus 1.477. Okay, so with this x1 value, I am getting x1 value as 3.7877. Now draw the table, draw the chart, as you people know, that is what, 3 and 4. Then 3 and 4, for 3 I am getting minus 1.477, for 4 I am getting 0.39794. Okay, then let us solve what you call 3.797 f of 3.7877. What is the value of f of 3.88 the 7877? Upon solving, I am getting it as negative value minus 2.865 into 10 raised to power 3, which is negative value. So if I take this thing, that will become greater than, this will be less than. So I have to take 0, this as a and this as b. Okay, this as a and this thing as b. So apply f of 4. As you people know, f of 4 is 0.39794. Now new values of a and b are this. So a into, come on, x2 value, a into 3.7877 into 0.39794 minus into minus of what you call minus 2.65 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Before this you will get here 4. Okay, 4 divided by this value 0.39794 f of b minus f of a minus of 2.865 into 10 raised to power minus 3. I am getting x2 value as 3.789. Option B is correct. So you have to tick 3.789. That is the correct option. Hope you are getting. Thank you.